Hey guys, Crystal with photographycourse.net here, and today I'm going to be showing you all the tips and tricks on Lensball photography. If you haven't gotten one of these yet, they're definitely worth the investment. They're not very expensive. I paid like 25 bucks for this thing, and it's just a great accessory to be more creative with your photography. So I'm going to show you some ideas, how to use it, and stay tuned for the end of the video where I'm going to show you my favorite secret place to shoot in Paris. So make sure to stick around for the end, and I'll show you the best place to take pictures in Paris. So I just want to give you guys a couple tips and tricks on how to use this thing. Definitely make sure you hold it correctly. Make sure your fingers are not blocking the view. You want to see the image inside, not your hand. So if you're holding it or you have a friend holding it, just have them move their fingers a little bit to the side. And also keep in mind that everything inside the ball is going to be flipped upside down. You can change this in post-processing, but it doesn't really matter to me. It gives it kind of a surrealist look. So just keep that in mind when you're shooting. You will be flipped upside down. My favorite lens to use with the Lensball is my 50mm. The images are really clear inside the Lensball, and it's just big enough to kind of make the Lensball the main subject of the photo, but also show a little bit of the background is what you're really wanting to do when you use a crystal ball. So go for a 50mm lens if you have that first. Also think about shooting nature with your Lensball. I love putting plants, flowers, any kind of shrubbery inside the ball. Also, if you can use trees and combine nature with the city, this makes for great effect. Also look for contrast when you're shooting with a Lensball. Anytime you can combine reflections, light, clouds, this will definitely add more interest to your photos. This is a great example of clouds. And the next photo, it's all about the sunrise and using reflections. Another great thing to do is to have someone hold it or shoot somebody through the Lensball. Put the photo in black and white to have even more contrast in your images. Lastly, consider shooting your favorite street or monument inside your crystal ball. My favorite street is in Montmartre, and I love putting these empty streets inside the crystal ball. Hey guys, this is a great investment if you want to get your photography a little more creative, if you're getting a little bored with what you've been doing. For $20, you can definitely change things up a little bit, and we want to see what you're doing. So please drop a comment below, send us a link to what your work is with this little Lensball so we can share it, and we hope to see more from you on photographycourse.net. Lastly, don't forget to check out my favorite secret place. Head to the back of the Sacre-Cœur Basilica and you will have a private park all to yourself.